answering a question from a grade 11 learner, dot, dot.
Raised to 2 minus x and this, right? That's how you gave it to me, right? So 0.25, let me use a calculator for that. 0.25 is, you can put it here, say 0.25, press equal sign, it gives you a fraction, which is 1 over 4, right? So I'm going to write this as 1 over 4. And that is raised to 2 minus x, right? I have my equal sign, and I want to write 32 in exponential form. So if you don't know that yet, again, you use your calculator, you say 32 is equals to, you press shift, here is shift, right? And then you press fact. So here's fact, right? You get 2 raised to 5. So which means here instead of 32, I'm going to say 2 raised to 5. Right, then I have 2 raised to x plus 3, right? And then I want to write 4 in exponential form. 4 in exponential form is the same as 2 raised to 2, right? So I have 2 raised to 2, and then this thing also had an exponent of its own, right? Let me make sure that my focus is perfect, right? So this is all raised to 2 minus x, right? So now what am I having? This is equals to, I have 2 raised to 5, right? So that's 2 raised to 5, right? I take these exponents now, I send them above, but because we have a division line here, these exponents, when they go above, the exponents themselves will become negative. So x, when it goes above, it will be negative x. 3, when it goes above, it will be negative 3, right? So because of 2 and 2 are the same base, I can take the exponents of this base and send them to another base, so that I no longer have a denominator here, right? Exponential loss. Afterwards, I'm going to take this 2. This 2 is a fraction. I don't want to work with fractions. So I'm going to take this 2 along with its power and send them above. But what happens when I send them above? Its exponent will now become negative. So I have this 2 minus x is equals to, and here I have 5 minus 3, which is the same as 2 raised to 2, and then here I have minus x, right? Afterwards, I have to, let me do this, I have to distribute this exponent into this binomial, right? So I'm having 2, negative 2 and 2, that's negative 4, negative 2 and negative x, that's positive 2x. This is equals to 2 raised to 2 minus x, right? Then what happens? What happens is that the bases are the same. Remember, you don't cancel them out, you just leave them. Then you focus on exponents. Negative 4 plus 2x is equals to 2 minus x, right? Then what do you do there? You are going to say everything to one side. So I have negative 4, so I not everything to one side. Numbers one side, and then variables one side. So I have 2x here. I'll take this negative x and bring to another side, so it becomes a positive x, right? So I have a 2 here. Here's a 2. I take this negative 4, I send it to another side, so that's positive 4. So 2x and x, that is 3x, is equal to 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. I'll divide both sides by 3. So divide this by 3, divide this by 3. By that, I'm removing this 3. What am I getting? I'm getting that x is equals to 2. There we go. So I hope that was doable for you.